mama. Idakijiyo. Chinekwe kejiyo. Chinekwe kejiyo. Zendo igo. Zendo igio. No no go. No Johnny no go. Go go. Hi guys, good morning, Nukshan. Nukshan, you're welcome. How you doing? It's nice to have you on the chat again today. Today we have some trades, some ongoing trades running. Good morning, guys. You're welcome to my stream. And today we're up a bit early today, guys. We're up a bit early today. Let's see. Already have a lot of trades running in profits. Dead. Fuck it. Really, this thing is kind of crazy. Sometimes it just smooths without my knowledge. Oh my lord. No, I thought everybody was hearing me. No wonder nobody was responding. You guys are welcome to my stream. It's nice to have you guys on the stream together with me today, guys. Okay. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm glad I got you to to let me. I don't know this control. Sometimes it just go on mute. I don't know. I think maybe I touched it by mistake. Sometimes you do these things unknowingly. So guys, that's it. You're welcome to my stream. It's nice to have you here with me live and direct. And today we are taking a look at the market, what the market is doing, and so far market is looking good. So far the market is looking good, guys. Mm. Right now we already have running trade, guys. We already have running trades, and we are hoping to ride this thing to the ground. You see, let me tell you something. The idea is that when you want to get into this market, you want to get in from a very significant level, and then you want to hold it and ride it as much as you can, you know, and take that profit as much as you can too. You know, that's it. That's the idea. If you're just joining me, this is Millionaires FX, and you're welcome. This is how we roll here. We get a lot of great trades every day, and I'm looking at the market right now. Market is looking good. So I have running trades. I have running trades that are in profit, so I'm still holding because I want it to hit my target. If it hits my target, that's it, guys. If it hits my target, that's it. If you're just joining us, tell us which pair you're targeting and what you think. Give us your comment. What do you think? What do you think in this market? If you want me to look up any pair for you, all you have to do is just say it or want my thoughts. If you think that you see something that I don't see in the market, you want to tell me something, just put it down on the comment section, okay? Yeah. You can also enjoy the ride with me. AUD USD is on fire, man. It's on fire. It's crazily on fire, guys. Crazy on fire. So AUD USD is still on fire. It's still going, guys. If you're just joining us, I'm actually holding onto GBP USD, and my target is 1.17804. That's where I'm looking. I'm hoping that it gets there. That's my target. My target. That's my target, guys. I'm actually hoping that it will take out all the stops, of though it has, but you know, I've actually taken out 1.18205. So that means we should expect it to continue to the downside. My next target I'm looking at on GU is 1.17579. That's where I'm looking to see GU drop to. If you can do that before the news, I would appreciate it, guys. It will make sense. Okay, if you can do that before the news, I will appreciate it. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX, the finest trading platform anywhere in the world, guys. This is the best, and our analysis is top notch, guys. If you're just joining us, I'm gonna pin the. We have a free Discord channel. We also have a free Telegram channel. You can join us and you can get amazing signals from us. You can get great opportunities to trade with us, guys. Okay, if you want to learn how to trade like me, if you want to learn how to trade like me, you have to DM me. Use the link to join the free Discord, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I come live, you are going to be notified. Okay, make sure you do that. It's very it's very important that you do that. I'd appreciate it. So the news is gonna is the news is in about 30 minutes. But let me tell you what I think about the news. I think that the market is not going to move during the news. I think that when we're going to see the move begin is during the New York session. I think it just maybe we'll just see a little bit of reaction and then the market is going to play around. But then when the New York Open begins fully, that's when we're going to see some kind of real momentum kick into the market. That's what I think. That's my thoughts, if you ask me. So we are still holding on to this pairs, and we are riding it to the ground so far. We are not closing our position. We are holding it until as long as possible. We're holding it down there. So you're welcome. You're welcome, guys, to join the free Telegram and free Discord channel. Okay. Give us your thoughts. Give us your thoughts. Okay. So we are still holding our positions, and I believe that we are going to hit our take profit before the news. Hopefully, we will. Close that door for me, please. I believe we are going to hit our take profit before the news. So we're just holding our positions and we're not closing. We are not going nowhere. You can see the positions we have open on GU. We have a position on gold. We have a position, and we are targeting this level at this psychological level at 1753. That's our target. Let's see what happens. And we also have this one on GU. We are targeting. We have a short position on GU, and we are targeting this level at 1.176. Sorry, 1.17579. That's the level we are looking at. AUD USD is looking great so far, and I've already hit our take profit and blow past it, so we are good. US oil is also short. We've been on this trade. In fact, yesterday we caught this one to the downside. This great trade. So 1:7 risk to reward ratio trade right there. We caught that nice trade to the downside, and then we also caught the retracement. The second one again today is still running at almost 1:3 or 1:4 right now. So that's the trades we have open right now, and we are observing this market. The market is looking good so far. The market is looking so good. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX, guys. So, guys, we are holding our positions and we're waiting it out, guys. Hmm. Please, if you have a question or an observation, can you just please write it down on the comment section, okay? And I will respond to you as much as I can. Okay? I will respond to you as much as I can, guys. Just write your question on the comment section. If you have a question, write it down on the comment section, guys. So the trade is running greatly. You can see that we are heading to take profit right now. You can see that we're already heading to take profit right now. And I'm hoping that we're going to hit take profit before the news. Hopefully. If it does, better, so that I can close up my positions, because I do not want the spike during the news to take everybody out, because I know that that's exactly what they are planning to do. They're going to wait during the news. You can get that spike and then everybody will be taken out, and they'll be crying. If I had known, I would have left it. So that's it, guys. So this Millionaires FX, guys, like I said, we are holding all these trades and we are looking to see if we can hit our take profit before the news breaks out. Okay, we are hoping to see if we can hit take profit before the news breaks out. So that's it, guys. I told you that it's likely that we are going to hit take profit before the news breaks out. I told you guys, because if we hit take profit before, if we can hit the psychological level on gold before the news, then expect that reversal during the news. They are going to go after those people who are joining this market to the downside. They are going to go after them heavily. So bear it in mind. If we hit take profit before the news, bear it in mind that a lot of people are going to get kicked out of this market. Okay, so let us bear that in mind, guys. If you have an observation, can you drop us a comment? Tell us what you think. What do you expect from the news? What are you looking forward to seeing in the news? While we wait for this trade to hit our take profit. Tell us what you think. I'm in good profits. I'm just holding to see if we can be able to hit our take profits before the news. That's going to make sense a lot. A lot of people are going to be jumping into this market because of this sell. So if you don't get it at a good price, then you're likely going to be kicked out during the news. Once the news drops, you are likely going to be kicked out. That's for sure. That's one thing I can assure you. If you don't take profit before the news and you're riding this trend and you're thinking that maybe during the news it's going to continue to the upside, you might get the shock of your, they might shock you, they might shock you. So what you want to do is to make sure you close, okay? Is to make sure you close this market immediately is close to the take profit time. Okay, guys. We are in good profit and we are riding this thing to the downside. We are riding it to the ground, guys. Okay, we are riding it to the ground. And so far the market is good. If we made enough money, then we have to chill. We have to relax. There's no need to rush anymore. You can see I told you that we're likely going to hit take profit before the news strikes, right? I told you guys that we're likely going to hit take profit before the news strikes. And the reason is because they want to get as much people into the market as possible before the news open. Because during the news open, you are likely going to see that's heavy. You're going to see a heavy reversal. You're going to see that reversal happen immediately the news kicks in. So I can assure you of that. It's likely going to happen. Those who follow my streams, they know. If you are just joining us, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try to subscribe. Make the family bigger, okay? Make it bigger and better, okay, guys? Make it bigger and better. So this place, this is where we do real trading, okay? This is where we do real trading. This is where we do real trading. This is not where we do hype or where we show you figures. What we show you is the real trading. This is how it is done. This is how we do it, and you know, this is the process. So, guys, if you're just joining us, you're welcome. Enjoy the profits. That's one thing that we normally do every day. We always end up in profit, in good profits. That's one thing I can assure you. Every day we always end up making good profits. That's one thing that I can assure you. We make good profits every single day. If you join our stream every day, you always make profit when you trade with us. Okay, it's like this same thing every single day. We are here and we are making a lot of profit in the markets every day. So this is it. So right now I took some partial profit on the way, and I'm waiting to see if we can ride this thing to the ground so I can close my remaining position before the news. If we don't hit the take profit before the news, few minutes into the news, or if I see good profit, I'm likely going to close everything because I do not want to be in the market when the news is released, because I do not want to get the shock of my life from these market makers. You know, they are very, very good at this kind of stuff. So I do not want to hold on to this trade if unless it is extremely possible. So that's it, guys. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX. We've been riding this trade since last night. We've caught a lot of peeps, like crazy peeps, since last night. Since yesterday, we've been riding it last night. Yesterday, I was here also. We took some nice trade together yesterday. Those who were live with me, we took some nice trade and we caught some peeps also yesterday. Today also, we are also catching some peeps. This is like what we do every day, like this same thing every day, and we make a lot of money and we're proud of what we've done so far. This is where we do real trading. This is not where we do hype, or this is just try that's the real trading community of this is a community of free traders. Okay, this is a community of free traders. That's one thing I can tell you. It's a community of real traders, guys. So that's it, guys. Welcome to my stream. If you're enjoying the stream, guys, morning, bro. Morning, morning, bro. um, what's his name? Nicholas. You're welcome. We're still riding this thing to the ground. I took like the trades we took earlier. I'm still riding it. I took partials and now I'm still holding the rest because I want to see it. I want to ride it as much as possible before the news is released. That's my goal. But I'm not gonna hold it during the news release, guys. I'm not because I do not like to be in that market when they release that news because anything could happen. You know, very important. So if you want to learn how to trade with me, how to trade like me, if you want to learn how to trade with us, all you have to do is to use the link on the description to join our free Discord channel. If you join our free Discord channel, DM me that you want to join our inner circle. We have an inner circle where I teach how to trade one on one. I teach people how to trade one on one. We have live session every single day for 1 hour every day where I teach from live chats. We do the analysis together on live chats, not just buying a course or no and leave you to hang to fend for yourself. No, we guide you one by one on one. I teach my students one on one, like one on one mentoring every single day. So to become very very confident in the market and trade with a plan and plan the trade and trade the plan. That's what we do basically. So if you want to join us, just use the link on the description to join our free Discord channel and then DM me that you want to learn how to trade from me. It's as easy as it is, cheap as it is, the easiest, um it is the best decision you can make as a trader. Most of the traders that we've helped that could not even trade on their own right now, a lot of them are catching these pips back to back every single day because they have been a part of our inner circle. That's the only thing that we've done. Because I hold live session every day for 1 hour to teach my student by myself. I don't give you a course to go and read and leave you hanging. No, I'm teach you one on one by myself what to look for in the market, how to have the right psychology in the market and everything. So once you how to know when you get it right and hold on to it and catch as much peep as you can from that particular market. So that's it, guys. It's very important. So you join the free Discord channel. We have a free Telegram too. If you want to join the free Discord, use the link in the description and then send me a message on DM me. I'm going to tell you how to join the inner circle. So and also on the free Discord, I post free setups. I post free signals. We give out free signals that you can make crazy money from every single day. Yeah, we give out most of these signals that you see here that we've been riding since yesterday. I posted it on the inner circle. A lot of them actually caught this trade. As you can see, we've been on this trade since a long time. So uh, a lot of them caught this trade and we did it together. We rode all these moves together. So you need to know that. So guys, if you are just joining us, Make sure you join the free Discord and then DM me so I can be able to take it from there, and we can help you to find consistency in your trading. We can help you to find consistency in your trading. If you have a comment, what do you think about these pairs? What do you think about the news? Can you drop it on the comment section? Tell us what you think. Let's make it interactive, guys. That's the fun part. Tell us what you think. If you're right, it's good. If you're wrong, you can also learn. You give us your perspective, and then we'll give you our perspective too. I'll tell you what I think, and then we'll do it, make it fun, and then make it very interactive. That's the fun part, guys. Trading can be a very, very boring. Just join your channel, my friend. Oh, you're welcome, guy. You're welcome, bro. This is the best trading decision you've actually made this year. To join, and you see the benefits. It's insane. All you have to do is just scroll up a little bit, and you see some of the trades we are taking, the results and everything. It's insane. You see it and you'll be like, wow. Yeah, you can look it up. So you're welcome, bro. You're welcome to the team. So you're welcome. So we're waiting. Once this trade once this trade is it gets close to the time for the news, I'm going to close all my positions, whether I hit my TP or not, because I do not want to be there when that news is going to be released, because you can get a spike you never expected. You can get that kind of spike that you be like, woo. You can see a spike of 100 pips in the opposite direction, and you go like, what the fuck? You know what I mean, guys. So that's what I don't want to see on my account. I'll just secure the profit once it is closed. I will secure the profits, and then I'll wait. If I see, I've actually got a lot of pips today that I'm not supposed to be trading again, but I just have to. I'm doing this really because of the team, because of the people who really benefit a lot from this stream. If they don't see me, I feel like their trading is gonna be boring without me there to guide them, and we do it together like we always do. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be boring. So me too, I'm already addicted to to you guys, and that's why I always come here, even though I'm not even feeling like I have to force myself. I'm come here just to be with you guys, and we do it together, share my perspective with you guys, and then we can all win together. That's the goal. The goal is to win together. All of us, we just win together. There's nothing as fun as winning together. Everybody, we all win together. That's my goal. Okay, that's my goal. I see that 95% of traders are losing money. So my goal is to take a lot of people out of the 95 as much as I can, and bring them to the 5% so that they can start enjoying the profit. Somebody traded my signal and made $32,000 last night, between last night and this morning. One of my students, he traded my signal. He's here. He traded my signal. He made $32,000 last night. He told me, said today is his birthday, and he closed his trade with $32,000 profit. He would have been here right now. He had to excuse himself to go and celebrate with his friends, and I was very, very happy with him. He traded my signal, and he made $32,000 in one day. It's not even up to a day, just a couple of hours. He made $32,000. So that's it, guys. He made $32,000 in a couple of hours. So that's it. That's how great. That's how good the result is. Okay, that's how good it is. That's how good it is. That's how good it is. We trade. We follow the rules, the trading rules, very religiously. That's how we plan the trade, and that's how we trade it. We trade it according to the plan we've made, and we follow it accordingly until we. And you see that you have consistent wins. If you do what you're supposed to do, follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you will see that you always have consistent wins. The losses will not worry you too much, because you will always be winning, winning and winning and winning and winning. You will always be seeing a lot of winning in your accounts. That's one good thing about it. If you follow the rules, I always tell people who join the inner circle not to focus on the money. Some people say, "Oh, my money is gone. Oh, I'm going to lose money. Oh, I made." I said, "No, I'm not interested in how much you made, how much you make, or how much money you're trading. I'm not interested in how much money you trade, or how much lot size you're trading. I'm not interested. All I'm interested is the process. If you tell me that you caught this move and you made $500, I want to. The only question I'm going to ask you is how did you arrive? How did you plan the trade? What's the process? Once you show me the process, that's what I'm interested in. Because what I know is that both the person that is trading a $5,000 account and the person that is trading a $5 million account, the most important thing is the process. How did you plan the trade? Once you the process is confirmed, the process is good, trust me, the result will be good. You see, that's the reason why I'm here. My job here is to teach you real trading, show you, point you in the right direction, not just to make money. Because most of you follow those groups where they show you a lot of big accounts, and the thing is, you just get a little bit of euphoria, but at the end of the day they don't show you how they arrive at this result, how they made this money. You go home confused more than before you join this the group, or the live session, the stream, sorry. So what I do is, we focus on how to trade, the right way to trade. We focus on the right way to trade. And what is the right way to trade is by focusing on the process. Okay, focusing on the process, not the result. We don't care, because we know that if you focus on the process and you get it right every time, over time you are going to be consistent, and the result is going to speak. The result will show that truly this person have been very, very consistent. So guys, I'm beginning to close some of my trade right now in profit, so that because we are going close to the news. Okay, we are getting closer to the news, so I'm beginning to close some of my trade in profit. um so what we do in millionaires FX is, we want to make you really a millionaire. That's the goal. But how we do it is that we do not focus on the trades. What we focus is on how to plan trade and how to execute the trade, the process, not the money. We don't care the lot size you're trading, because we understand that the person that is trading a $200 account and the person that is trading a 200K account, it is the same process. Okay, it is the same process. If you get the process right, you always walk away in profit. That's what we've discovered in the market, and for that reason, that's what we are focused on, the process, to make sure that you are a very, very profitable trader by focusing on the process. So unlike the other people who just show you big accounts, and most times they don't even show you how they arrive at the conclusion, why did they take the trade, they cannot even show you. But I show you everything, the process for the trades, and why I buy or sell from every level, how I'm doing it, and why I did it. Because that's the most important question as a trader. If you show me the results, I'm not interested in the results. All I want to ask you is, how did you arrive it? How? That's oh, welcome Elham, you're welcome. I have resistance for GBP at 1.1833. Let's identify that level. 1.1833. Let us find that level. 1.1833. Resistance 1.1833. Okay, that's your resistance. That's a great level, bro. But I think that's the resistance you think for the news resistance. Mm, okay, that's also makes sense. That's one of the levels that I'm actually looking at, really. But not the only level. These people can be very, very crazy. They might shock everybody now. Just watch out and see what's going to happen. I don't expect them to stop at that level. I will expect more reversal. If they decide to reverse the market, I will expect more. Okay, now I'm closing everything in profit, guys. I'm expecting, like I said, I'm expecting more than that level for the reversal. It's the news, bro. It's the news. Okay, what I'm thinking, maybe they can just spike, because I know that I have a strong conviction at this level. I'm talking about GU now. I'm talking about GBP USD now. So I have a strong conviction for this level at 1.17587. That level is a very significant level. Okay, it's a very significant level from the past. That's one of the levels that I'm looking at. However, there's another level again here, which is the one they are reacting to right now. This level at let me mark the level for you. Maybe they might stop there. There's a level here. That's the level they are working with right now. I think that's the reason why the price is finding it difficult to break that level. So that level is a very significant level. So right now, what I think is that they might continue. They might spike if they decide to go very um, bearish. They might spike and touch that level and then reverse the market. Now, I'm going to give you guys the analysis for the news right now. So just give me a sec. I'm going to give you guys the analysis for the news right now. Give me a sec. Let me do my due diligence. I will take a quick look at the markets to give you my perspective on the news. I'm going to give you my analysis for the news right now, because right now I think that GBP USD, I think it is done. I think it is done. I don't think it's going to break that level right now. Seriously, I'm being honest with you. I think it is done for now. But every other thing that's going to happen is going to happen during the news. So I'm going to give you my perspective on the news right now. Okay, we are seeing some kind of retracement is starting right now. So because a lot of people are short, they are going to pull back into this market and they are going to kick a lot of people out. So what I think, the whole market is calm right now, bro. So let's wait and see. I'm expecting that spike to the upside and take for them to take people out of this market. It's very very possible. So let us see what happens. But instead of me holding on to that level, instead of 1.1833, I'll be looking more at 1.18547. This significant level here, this psychological level here is very strong level. If you decide to spike back for a reversal, that's a break and retest. That's likely the level I'm going to be looking at. 1.18547. Let's see what happens. 1.18547. That's the level I'm actually keeping an eye on. But let's see what happens. So guys, give me a second. So guys, actually think that GU is done for now. I think you are going to see that retracement begin. But right now, I want to let you know something. Okay, I use the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes for my entry. But and I analyze on the day. I'm a day trader, so I analyze on the 15 minutes. I do my analysis on the 15 minutes. So, but there are so many things I do on the chart, and I use different time frames for them. You understand? Like I don't mark my structures on the 15 minutes. No, I go to the higher time frame. The On the higher time frame you can get a better structure more than the lower time frame. Yeah. On the higher time frame you can get a better structure more than the lower time frame. So when I want to mark the structure, I go down to the higher time frame. I go up to the higher time frame to mark the structure. The noise is reduced. The noise is reduced. So but on the lower time frame, that's where I take my trade. 15 minutes, 5 minutes is good to enter the trade for as a day trader. But the analysis is also done on the 15 minutes. There are so many things I do. Yeah, many things, different things on different time frames. So what I do is that I find out the time frame that gives me the a clear understanding of the market, and then I want to focus on it. That's what I do. So it's 2 minutes to the news, guys. Please give us your perspective. If you're just joining this session, make it fun. The fun, you can only make it fun by actually you know giving us your thoughts and make it very interactive. That's when it is fun. That's when you can enjoy the stream. I too can enjoy the stream, and you will have a reason to want to come back here every day to have fun. You understand? Trading shouldn't be very, very serious, and it should be fun sometimes. It should be fun. It should be fun, especially when you know what you're doing. It's supposed to be fun. You're supposed to enjoy the process. Okay, we've been trading these pairs since yesterday. We've actually done three successful trades on gold since yesterday. This is the one we took during the news yesterday. We got our nice 1:3.57 trade there, and then we caught this one last night. So I actually thought we were going to see this level immediately. Fake out upwards, then dump down. Okay, it depends on. Okay, in the next 1 minute we'll see. Fake out upwards and then dump down. Fake out upwards. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. I am thinking in that direction too, Elham. I'm thinking because the reason why. Okay, tell us why. Why do you think, Elham? Why do you think that we see the fake out upwards and then dump down? Because on gold, just tell us what you think. Tell us what you think. Fake out upwards and then dump down. I believe that we're going to see, truly, we're going to see that reversal. True, I believe that. But then dump down. Why? Why should we continue down? I am very interested in the why, not what you're saying. I'm very interested in the why. Just tell me why, and you got me. If you tell me why, you got me, bro. That's what I want to hear. If you tell me why you want it, you think that it's going to be fake out upwards and down. Why? Okay, let me give you a secret now. Let me give you guys a secret. If it was going to be a real reversal, the market will go into consolidation. You see something like a W pattern, and then you see the market will go into consolidation, and you see some kind of consolidation. The market will be getting ready to really, you know because we had this downward. So yeah, exactly. So that you're right. If the market was going to reverse, you're going to see the markets in it's going to go. It's going to be getting ready for that reversal. You're going to see something like a W pattern, a consolidation, or you're going to see the kind of preparation for that reversal. But on this case, the market is just there and nothing was happening. So I knew that the market is going to continue to the downside. So it's okay, guys. The news release is done. So I think that we're going to continue this move to the downside. I think we're going to continue to the downside. And in fact, the funny part was that there was no reaction in the market. There was absolutely no reaction. There was no reaction in the market. That's cool. So with the downtrend is going to continue because Eham, your insight into the market is awesome, and I enjoy having you. I hope that we can actually go live together. I think I can find a software where we can do this thing together. I can always get your perspective. Very insightful, always about the market. I'm impressed. So guys, we are going to continue this downtrend we're going to continue this downtrend. This market is going to continue down. Seriously, it's going to continue down. So, and the original analysis still stands. The original analysis still stands. Okay, guys, this is Millionaires FX. Our goal is to make you a millionaire trader, guys. Of course, they're taking shower, but when they're done, we're waiting for them because they have to pay us. That's why we're here. We get paid. We come here to get paid every day. Okay, when we come here, our job is to get paid. That's why we're here to get paid, guys. I don't want to sit down and trade on the chat and I don't get paid. That's crazy. It doesn't make sense. So this is Millionaires FS, guys. If you're just joining us, you're welcome to this stream. And if you have not joined our free Discord, join our free Discord where you can take your trading to the next level. Okay, if you want to learn how to trade like me, if you want to learn how to trade from me, or you want to be a part of our trading team, our inner circle, all you have to do is when you join the free Discord, send me a message. When you join the free Discord, send me a message, send me a DM, and tell me that you want to join the inner circle. Okay? If you tell me, I'm going to help you, tell you what to do to be a part of the inner circle. Okay, guys? I'm going to tell you what to do. It doesn't cost you much. It's as easy as, in fact, it is the greatest trading decision you can make this year. As if you want to, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, that's the best trading decision you can make, is to join the inner circle. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not bragging. If you go to you can join our free Discord, and then you can look up what we're doing there. It's not a hype. It's great work we're doing, and every part of everybody that's a part of our team, they enjoy to be here and to trade with us. Okay, so that's it. If you're just joining us, tell us where what you think. If you are enjoying the stream, give us a thumbs up, guys. Okay, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It encourages us to it encourages us to come here to give you more content, and it makes the family bigger. Okay, it makes the family bigger. Okay, guys, it makes the house big, and when the house is big, it is fun. So we enjoy your company. We enjoy the fact that you decide to trade with us. We really enjoy it. We want to appreciate you for being here. My name is Henry, and I have my team here, Millionaires FX team. I want to throw a big shout out to all of them, and we're doing a great job. I know we're doing a great job. This is where we do the real trading. Not We don't come here to do the hype or show you some big figures to impress you or to make you feel good or give you some kind of euphoria. No, what we do here is the real trading. This is where we ask the real question. We don't just focus on making the numbers. What we focus here is how, why. That's the question. How did you do it? Why did you do it? If you tell us you bought, we ask you why did you buy. If you say you sold, you tell us why you sold. Here we trade with reason. This is where we trade with reason, not just trading for trading sake, or you just see the market's going bullish, you jump in, and then it's going bearish, you jump in. That's bullshit. That's not how we trade. What we do is we follow reason. We follow the right trading steps by focusing on the process. Okay, we focus on the process, and that way we are able to win trades every single day, back to back. We are winning trades. Okay, we are winning back to back. Everybody that's a part of our team is winning every single day. We are winning. So if you want to win with us, all you have to do, if you all you have to do is so, bro. If you're joining us, I'm sure you're having fun. We are bearish. We are very very bearish on all these markets. They are all looking very bearish, and we are riding it to the ground. Trust me. We do not show mercy to this market because they don't show mercy when they take our money. They don't show mercy to us, so we don't show mercy when we take their money too. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. So if you're just joining us, guys, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. We're still riding this shit to the ground. A guy traded our signal today, and he made $32,000 today, just today. Since last night, he told me today is his birthday. He's always here every day with us, and today is his birthday, so he's not here because he's celebrating his birthday. So a guy made 32,000 today. So guys, if you're just joining us, good congrats for him. Yeah, yeah. He made 32K. He said he made 32K. He inboxed me. You know, he inboxed me. He said he made $32,000. He said he made $32,000 trading our signal since last night. Those signals I posted, he said he traded gold, he traded GU, he traded most of all those pairs I posted last night. And this morning he was up $32,000. He said he closed his trade and he's going to celebrate his birthday. He was so happy, and he inboxed me. Yeah, I get like that every day. A lot of people come to me and they tell me that they are making a lot of money from my signal, and that they really appreciate me. So that's the beauty, right? That's why we're here, right? I feel great when I see people make money from my that I can be able to make an impact into the life of people. Do you know how great it is? It's great. It feels great that I can be able to make an impact in the life of people. There's nothing as beautiful as it as it is as it. Okay, there's nothing as beautiful as it. No, my mic is not. My mic is not muted. I'm sorry, guys. If my mic is not muted, some people, someone is messaging me. So someone is messaging me. That's why my mic is not muted. Okay. So guys, you're welcome. So he made 32K out of my signals. He always trade my signals. That's the truth. He okay, yeah, of course. During the New York session, I think the guy always trade my signal. Always, he always trade my signals, and he always tell me, say, I trade your signals, but he just stay quiet. So guys, we are still holding this thing. So we're still. I told you guys the GU my target. I told you my target was 1.17581. Right? That's my target. So that's it, guys. So you're welcome, guys. We are still waiting, holding on to this market until we hit our take profit. Okay. So I told you guys that we are going to see that level at 1.17574. That's what I'm hoping on. That's what I'm looking at on GU, and then on gold, I'm looking at this psychological level at 1750 at 1753. That's what I'm looking at, guys. So guys, you're welcome to my stream. You're welcome to my stream, guys. So we're still waiting, guys, for it to hit our take profit. You see, why you win is that, do you know why you win as a trader? You win because you follow the process. That is the only way you can win. You see, a lot of people complain that they are not able to make profit, they are not able to win. As far as you don't follow the process, it's going to be practically difficult for you to win. So this is the only way for you to win as a trader. Okay, this is the only place where we don't just trade. You plan the trades and you follow the plan until the trade is exactly. You have to have a high level of patience for that trade to do what you want it to do. It doesn't matter if you're uncomfortable about it. It doesn't matter if you're uncomfortable about it or not. The most important thing is you just have to follow the process. You don't have a choice. You just have to give up your rights. Let me explain to you how to win as a trader. So guys, you don't have to to do what you like in the market to win. You must follow the process. That is the difference between the people who are losing and the 5% that are winning. Are you willing to follow the process religiously? It doesn't matter if you're uncomfortable about it. It doesn't matter if you like the way the market is going or not. No, you have to wait on that trade to really pay you for your time. You must follow the process, and if you follow the process, you get rewarded at the end of the day. So all you need to do as a trader is to follow the process. If you are just joining us, join our free Discord group there. Use the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel, and I really appreciate it, guys. So this is where you trade. When you trade, we only focus on how did you get into the trade. Why did you get into the trade? Why? This is where the only trading platform where we ask you why. We don't care about your emotional state. We don't care if you like the market or not. We don't care. Only thing we are interested in is one question: how, why? So if you can be able to answer the question as to why, it is fine. Just hold on to the trade and the trade will do what you want it to do. Okay, that is how we trade. It's not a must that you must like the process. You don't have to like the process the process. That's why I say to you that if you want to be a part of our trading team, you if you want to be a trader, You must have a high level. I did not just say patient. I say you must. I did not just say you must be patient. I say you must have a high level of patience in you for you to be a part of us. Okay, you must have a high level of patience. It is the high threshold of patience you have that will determine your ability to survive in this market. Because yesterday we had a trade. Yesterday, let me show you guys the trade we had on gold yesterday. Can you see this trade? This was the trade we took yesterday on gold. It took this was during the news. So, but our analysis said that the market was actually bearish. That's what the analysis said. So our analysis said that we should expect some bullish momentum in the market. So when we saw that, we actually went short. Guess what? We went short in this market somewhere around here. This was where we went short, and immediately we went short. This market began to consolidate, refused to move an inch. This market refused to move an inch yesterday, and we stayed there for hours waiting for this trade. Once, so, and I said to them that this market is bearish, and for the fact that this market is showing us signs that it is bearish, the analysis is bearish. We're expecting You should expect a bearish move unless it hits my stop loss. I'm not closing this trade, because if I close the trade, I was already down over $800. So what I did was I held on to my position, and I was waiting for it to either hit my stop loss or hit my take profit. And guess what? So the analyst said it was bearish. This market was there for hours, for a long time, and then the analysis was that we were expecting this market to hit this support level at 1773. We waited for hours, for good hours, and the market was messing around with us, messing around with us, messing around. But we kept waiting, we kept waiting, we kept waiting, and we waited until this market finally hit our take profit after about over 3 hours. So guys, we took this trade and we held on to it until it hit our take profit. A lot of people didn't believe that we win that trade. Well, guess what? When we won the trade, somebody said that it was because of luck. Can you believe that? Somebody said it was luck. No, it was a high level of patience. The patience quotient was very, very high. We had to hold on to it until the trade did what we wanted it to do. That is it. When you do your analysis, you do your homework. So so when you do your analysis and you have to hold on to that trade, it's not every trade that will look good. Some trade will look good, some trade will look bad. Not every trade will run maybe in 3 pips, hit your take profit. That's what a lot of traders don't know. Some trade will take so long to hit your take profit, while some will just hit your take profit immediately. So we took that trade and we waited for hours, a long time, for that trade to hit our take profit. And at the end of the day we smiled to the bank. Okay, so now you can see that this trade is almost there at our take profit. Like I said, you always hold on to your position until it hits your take profit. Let me show you guys the profit so far, the position I held and the ones I took. So I was supposed to close all, but I didn't close all. Now I close about 80%. It's remaining only 20% of my profit. You can see I'm up $700. The remaining 20%, I close about 80%. It's remaining about 20% profit now. You can see it there. I just closed that and it's remaining about 20%. I'm up $700, going to $800 now. So that is how you manage your trade. So, however, I did not subscribe to you leaving money on the table. No, don't leave money on the table. If your trade is running, make sure you are taking profit. If you're taking profit, you never go broke taking profit, because you cannot trust these market makers at all. You cannot trust them with your money. Okay, you cannot trust them with your money. So that is it. You cannot trust them with your money. So guys, what I can tell you for sure is that um what I can tell you for sure is that this is the right trading platform. Yeah, you need a high level of high threshold for you need to have a high threshold for patience, guys. High threshold for patience. If you don't, you cannot win in this market. There's no way you can win. There's no way you can win. I want to close all my positions now, guys. I'm closing all my positions, and I'm closing all my positions now, guys. I'm okay with what I've gotten so far. Today is a good day. Over six different trades today, or seven different trades today, all in profits. I cannot be happy enough, guys. I cannot be happy enough. So if you want to trade like this, all you have to do is to join our inner circle, join our free discord group, and then inbox me, tell me that you want to learn how to trade from me. I will tell you how to join the inner circle. I will tell you how to join the inner circle, guys. Okay? You need a high level of patience to trade and win in this market, because sometimes it's not every time the market is going to be the way you want it. It's not every time it's going to look the way you want it to look. No, it's not every time. Okay, it's not every time the market is going to look the way you want it to look. So far the market is still good. If I find an opportunity again to get into this market, I'm going to share it with you guys. You're welcome once again. Please subscribe to this channel to encourage us to continue to give you great trades again. Please subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, if you subscribe, and it's going to make the family bigger, it's going to make this session interactive, and that way I can be able to bring you more content, more great content like this. Please, if you don't subscribe, we're going to be demoralized. Subscribe so that when we come, we make it interactive. You can actually drop your comment. If you want me to look up a pair for you, I will do that for you, bro. I can give you my perspective as to what I think. Okay, I'll give you my perspective, then you can also give us your perspective. We'll learn from each other, which is the goal. The goal is to learn. Okay, the goal is to learn. So that's one thing I have to let you know. The goal is to learn, so we can always learn from each other. However, if you want to be a part of our inner circle, which is actually what I can recommend to you, that's the best trading decision you can make. Okay, just inbox me, DM me in the Discord, and I will tell you how to join. I'll add you to the inner circle. It's very easy. So guys, like I say once again, what we do is to focus on the process of the trades. We focus on the planning, the execution of the trade. Okay, we try to read meaning into this market. Once we cannot read meaning in this market, we don't trade. Once you cannot read meaning, once the market does not make sense to you, then you are not allowed to trade. You can only trade when you can read meaning into the market. Okay, so when you can understand what is happening in the market, this is step by step technique that you have to be taught. You have to learn the technique, how to plan the trade, how to follow the plan. You can see how a trade that we planned from last night. This trade we planned it from last night. We started trading this trade since I think 12 or 1 a.m. in the midnight. This trade started running like around 3 a.m. in the midnight. That's when the trade started running. It started to run, and I was targeting this level. But guess what? This morning the market did a pullback, second pullback, before it finally touched our take profit. So what you are supposed to do is to hold on to your position, because you already know that this is the level you are looking at to take profit from. You hold on to your position until the market gets to that level before you take the profit. Okay, so if you're a trader, you need not just patience, a high level of patience. If you cannot have patience, you take the trade. Once you plan your trade, you take the trade, and then you walk away and come back maybe in an hour or two, or a 30 minutes interval, to watch what the market is doing. Okay, to watch what the market is doing. So far, we have been able to make crazy profit from the market today. A guy traded my signals since last night and made $32,000, and he was so happy. Today is his birthday. He's celebrating right now. So I'm so happy for him once again. So you too can have similar results. All you have to do is to be a part of the team. Enjoy the process. What we do is to enjoy the process. The planning process is the most important thing in trading. The planning, because let me tell you something. Some people are very emotional when they are trading. Some people are psychologically scared. They are having psychological problem. Once you follow the process, it's going to eliminate the fear. It's going to eliminate the uncertainty. And once the because you know that you're following the process, if even if the trade is bad, it won't hurt you too much. It won't hurt you much, because you know that you've done your homework correctly. You've done what you're supposed to do. Okay, you are not going to be worried, because you know you've done what you're supposed to do. That's one thing I must let you know. Okay, because you know that you have done what you are supposed to do. So there's no reason to be scared. There's no reason to panic. Am I making sense, guys? Yeah. So if you do what you're supposed to do, don't have to be scared. Even if you get one bad trade, it doesn't matter. But your justification is that you follow the process, and the trade went. But trust me, if you follow the process, if you know the right way to trade, and you follow the process over and over again, over time, you're going to make insane amount of money from this market. This market is going to be begging you at some point to leave it alone. You're going to make crazy amount of money from this market. So it's very important that you know. Okay, there's so much money in this market. There's a lot of money to be made in this market. So much money to be made. And you can win. You can win consistently. Maybe once in a while you take one loss, once in a while, but it's going to be your losses are going to be, how would I say it, insignificant, because you're at all point time you are busy analyzing the market, and you understand the game the market makers are playing. If you join Millionaires FX, what we're going to teach you is how to ride big trends. You need to learn how to ride big trends. And this is for people who are trading prop firm accounts. If you're trading a prop firm challenge, or you're managing a prop firm account, you need to learn how to ride big trends where you can catch 1 is to 5, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 8, 1 is to 10. That's where the money is. Not when you do the 1 is to 1. No, that's not trading. It's going to be difficult for you to pass the prop firm challenge if you're doing 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. No, it's going to be so difficult, because sometimes you might even take it more than once before you get it right, and then the profit is very minimal. 1 is to 1, and you cut the loss. That's not trading. That's not trading, guys. That is not trading. No, you see these trades, I'm going to wait for it to pull back. After this pull back again, I'm going to get into this trade again. I'm going to continue to ride it to the ground. I will ride it to the ground. That's the truth. I'll never have pity on them. I will begin to look at the levels right now, and I'm going to begin to plan again. I'm going to ride this thing to the ground. That's the truth. So that is it. Well, that's what I'm waiting for. I've been riding it since yesterday. This is the kind of opportunities that we're looking for. If you have a prop firm challenge, this is an opportunity for you to pass it. You can pass your prop firm challenge immediately with this kind of account, where you can get 1 is to 3, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 7. Quick, 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 quick. Within a short time, you've already, in a week or two, you are done with the challenge, and you walk away and rest. But if you are doing the 1 is to 1 every time you're doing 1 is to 1, it's going to be practically impossible for you to pass the prop firm challenge. The most important secrets that we have is trusting the process. Trusting the process. We always trust the process in good and in bad times, that the process is key. Okay? So we are almost there at I don't know, the market is retracing now. Our target was there. So now I've already taken profit and I feel great because this trade is already done. So now what I want to do is I want to get I'm not going to tell you I don't know how to say it, but something is going to happen on GBP USD and I'm going to ride it to the ground again. I'm going to wait for that pullback to happen. It's going to happen it's going to start happening now during the New York session. We're going to get the retracement. Maybe at night again, tonight again, we're going to get that continuation to the downside again, and then we are going to ride it again all the way down. So now that I've already hit this target at we're almost there at even though we didn't hit it completely, I wait for that retracement, and then the next explosive move I'm going to be targeting 1.17098. That's the level I'm going to be looking at the next time. It's after the retracement. So um I wish I can be able to explain it to you guys, but this is some kind of deep deep trading idea that I'm going to be using to be able to find that retracement. However, I'm going to give you guys a clue. I'm going to give you guys a clue as to where to expect that retracement from. That retracement, I'm going to be giving you guys a clue. Now, be looking for the retracement to come to. It could go to be looking at 1.18542. That's number one level, but the most probable level, the most significant level I'm going to be looking at is 1.18328. That's one of the level I'm going to be looking for that retracement. I want to see that retracement come there because I'm likely going to see it it's going to be a slow retracement. I'm not interested in the retracement because we're in a downtrend. I don't want to trade against the trend. So now I'm going to wait for that retracement to happen, and then I'm going to ride it again to the ground. So it's very important. So you have to be patient, guys. 10 o'clock. Sorry. The retracement, we are going to be expecting the retracement. I'm looking at two levels. I've already told you guys, I'm looking at 1.18328. That's for GBP USD. What's the guy? Where's this guy? So where's this guy? That's the GU guy. Peter, that's where I'm looking at the retracement. That's what I'm going to be waiting for the retracement to get done. But it's going to be a slow retracement with a lot of consolidation. So it's going to be a slow retracement. So, but I'm going to be targeting the retracement. Once the retracement is done, I'm going to be looking to go in again to ride it to the ground. No mercy. Do you look at NAS and S&P 500? No, I can look it up for you if you want right now. I do trade Nasdaq sometimes. I trade Nasdaq a lot in the past, but I just stopped for a while now. Let me look up Nasdaq for you. I trade the indices together, Nasdaq, S&P 500, and US 30. I always trade them together in pairs. But I'm going to look up Nasdaq for you. I don't trade the S&P 500. I will look up the Nasdaq for you. If you want me to look up the US 30, just say it on the comment section. I will look it for you. I'll look up Nasdaq for you right now. Don't worry. I'll give you my perspective on Nasdaq, what I think is going to happen. Nasdaq, how are you? Oh, Nasdaq is looking so good, guys. So nice. How can you have missed all these great trades on Nasdaq, bro? You've missed a lot of great trades on Nasdaq. There's a lot of great trades that happens on Nasdaq. Exactly, bro. Oh my lord, something great have happened in Nasdaq, bro. This is crazy move. Let me show you how many pips you would have caught. You are late in the game, bro. You this is over. Oh my lord, this is almost. This is how many pips? 250 pips. That's what you lost on Nasdaq. You would have cut that pips like crazy. Let me show you, bro. Let me show you. Let's go down to the higher time frame. Look at your entry, bro. Look at your entry. This was your entry, bro. This was your entry. So now you're going to wait for that retracement. Let me give you what's going to happen on Nasdaq next. What's going to happen on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is going to retrace now. The retracement, I cannot tell you exactly where. I don't predict the market. Those who know me know I never predict the market. Never, never, never. I never do that. So I'm expecting Nasdaq to retrace all the way to this point or all the way here. And then we are going to continue to the downside. So now how will you know it is going to meet this line I drew here? Nasdaq is going to meet this line I drew here. It's going to meet. So these are the levels I'm looking for that retracement. It's going to be either here or here. So whichever one, then Nasdaq is going to continue that move to the downside. Or like I said, it could expand the range. Maybe we're going to be looking. Let's see if we can get up to this level. I think that level is a good level to get that retracement from. And then something here like this. And then we're going to see it continue. At least you can be able to get a 1:1, a good 1:1. Retest back down. So you can get a 1:1, and then maybe hopefully it's going to continue to the downside. If it breaks this level, then we go down to this level again. So that's what I'm looking for in Nasdaq. However, it might not happen so straight. It will contain a lot of consolidation. It will contain a lot of manipulation that will confuse you and trick you into doing something else instead of what you have already planned to do in the first place. Okay, so that is it. So that's it, guys. If you are enjoying the stream, please subscribe to this channel. Please make it interactive. If you subscribe, you make the house bigger. Please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it if you do. If you want to learn how to trade from me, all you have to do is to hit the the level on the, what they call it, sorry guys, all you have to do is to hit use the link on the description to join our free Discord channel, and then DM me that you want to join the inner circle. There I teach people how to trade one-on-one. My team, some of them are here. I teach them how to trade one-on-one. Every day we do live session every single day for 1 hour, where I teach all these principles, how to trade, how to follow the process. Like I said, what we do is, here we don't show you money. Here we don't try to impress you that we have a lot of money. No, here what we do is the real trading. Here is the only place we talk about the trade you took, and we ask you, why did you take it? Because you have to tell us why. We're not interested in how much money you made from the trade. We're not interested in how much money you made. No, we don't interested in the lot size, or no. The only thing we ask you is, tell us why you took the trade. As simple as that. Convince us, show us the reason, because what we look at here is reason, not your thoughts. What we trade is the real, what we see in the market. That's what we trade, not what you think, not what your emotion think. Because when you take emotional trade, you now start battling with your emotion. Your emotion is now trying to force the market to go in your direction, which is never going to happen. So, but when you trade what the analysis says, you don't have to be comfortable with it. You don't have to like it. You don't have to like the analysis. You don't have to like what the market is doing. But your duty is to just follow the process and plan the trade. And when it gets to that point, execute the trade and walk away and wait and see the outcome. And trust me, you will see how the result is going to be so amazing. I can tell you, you will see how the result is going to be amazing. So I have analyzed the Nasdaq for you, bro. Do you see the Nasdaq? I've analyzed the Nasdaq for you. So right now, Nasdaq could actually retrace any moment from now. Maybe during New York Open, it will retrace, or if it doesn't retrace, then it will continue. But it is overextended. I do not see them continue to push this market to the downside. I'm talking to you now, Peter. Abi, who's the guy who asked me for Nasdaq? Okay, Nukshan. Nasdaq is actually going to continue to the downside after a retracement. Okay, but now it might it is overextended. I will not advise you to sell Nasdaq right now. I will not advise you to sell Nasdaq right now, because if you sell Nasdaq right now, you might be selling the tip, and you're gonna get burnt, bro. If you sell Nasdaq right now, you're gonna sell the tip, and you're gonna get burnt. So what I'm gonna advise you is to wait patiently for the retracement. The early birds are the people who make money from this market. I told you that this move you see started from last night. From last night. That's when the move started. And we caught it and we rode it all the way down. So those people who want to trade right now, they don't even know what's happening in the market. They're just jumping into the market because they see that it is going down. And then what's going to happen? The market is going to pull back up, and then a lot of people are going to cry and say, "Oh, what just happened to me right now? I think the market makers are after me." Nobody's after you, bro. It is your emotion that is doing you a lot of damages. Your emotion is dealing with you. So that's it. So that's one thing we never do, is to eliminate your emotions from the equation completely and focus on the process. I keep saying it over and over again. Here we don't care how much money you make, how much money you trade. No. In order to get you to become a consistently profitable trader, I'm thinking the same. Just wait and see until market opens. Yeah. I think that Nasdaq is overextended, Nukshan. I think it's overextended market, and if you sell this market at this point, you're just going to catch a falling knife, because the market is going to retrace any moment from now and it's going to deal with you. So the best time to if there's anything like you can do, I think, is to look for longs. And me, I cannot go long without a confirmation. That's why this kind of market is not advisable for to anyone to trade. No, it's not advisable for anyone to trade. So that's what I think. If you want to join the inner circle, bro, if you want to learn how to trade, you want to join our team, all you have to do is to use the link in the description to join the free Discord, and then DM me that you want to join the inner circle. I'm going to get you started, get you up to speed. If you have a prop firm challenge, we are going to help you pass it. If once you join the inner circle, we're going to help you pass the prop firm challenge. That's what, even if you are down, it's remaining 1% for the challenge to be violated. We're going to help you recover and pass the challenge. Trust me. That's what we do. We're going to help you. Any member of our team, we help each other. I help them to pass their challenge. So if you're a prop firm trader and you want to be a part of our inner circle, you're welcome, because we're going to help you. Or you want to buy a prop firm challenge, you want to trade for the prop firm, you can always join us in the inner circle, so that we can help you to find great trades. You can always be trading with us. We'll do the analysis together every day, and then you execute those trades, and you have confidence in the trade you've executed, and you will see how the numbers are going to increase. So this prop firm trader, he took my trades. He took the trades from last night to this morning. He made $32,000. I've called out about. We have done about 7 different trades. I'm going to show you guys today. Right now, I'm going to show you all the trades we've taken since last night. Only on gold, we took 3 trades since yesterday. We took one during New York session. We took this one in the middle of the night, and then we took this one this morning. That's 3 on only gold alone, and all of them were a win. We won all of them. So on GU, we took one trade. From here, we targeted this level at 1.17573, and we also won that. On AUD USD, you can see the boy. We've been riding this boy since last night. Since the middle of the night, we've been riding this boy, AUD USD. We've been riding it since last night, and it's still falling. It have even blown past our take profit, and it's still falling to the ground like crazy. So because we are the early birds, we are able to identify that the market have actually broken out. Now on G on GU, Okay, AUD USD, and which one? We take about, okay, US oil. US oil, guys. I posted two trades on US oil. Look at it on US oil. We got two trades. Look at the first one on US oil. We got this one yesterday, and today again, early in the morning, I dropped this one again. And you can see we are riding the shit out of it. We are riding it like crazy. We are not done. We are still riding it. It is still going down. We are not done. We are still riding it. Yeah, you can actually make the market obey you. The market can actually obey you. They don't have a choice. So I'm not saying you cannot lose, but you always win. That your lose will not, you not be thinking about, you not worry about your losses, because you have so much winning to worry about some few losses. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. So you are going to know what to expect from the market, and I'm thinking the same. Okay, I already got that. We are going to see the New York Open any moment from now, and then let's see what happens. But I think that the market is overextended. I will not advise anybody to sell into this market right now, because this market has been falling all day. I wouldn't advise anybody to sell into this market. I would advise you to stay away. Okay? If there's anything you can do, is to find the retracement. That's all. But to sell into this market is not a good idea. It might backfire. Um you might be selling at a very bad price. So you must wait to get a good price. That's what makes you a good businessman. In this business, you must have a high level of patience. High. I did not just say have to be patient. No, I say you must have a high level of patience. High patience threshold in this business, because once you have your analysis right, the rest of the job is patience. Patience. The rest of the job is patience. If you're just joining us, please subscribe to our channel. Please make the house bigger. It is very interactive. You can join us every time we come live. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we come live. You'll be notified. Okay, it's very important. Okay, yeah, click the notification bell. So right now, what are we expecting from this market? We want to see some retracement during the New York Open, and then we can also continue this move to the downside again, because we are just starting to ride this thing. And then when the new trend begins again, we are going to ride the shit out of it. We are going to ride the hell out of it, guys. We're going to ride the hell out of it. Okay, guys. If you're enjoying the stream, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up. I really like thumbs up, guys. Just give me a thumbs up. It makes me happy. Okay? The more thumbs up you give me, the more secrets I'm going to be revealing. The more trading secrets I'm going to be revealing to you guys. Just give me more thumbs up, and I'm going to be revealing more and more and more and more secrets to you guys. Okay? I really appreciate it. Those of you that join me. If you're just joining us, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to if you want to get our free signals, just join our free Discord group. Join our free Discord. You get free signals for free every single day. There are people who joined us yesterday. I'm sure some of them have already started making money already. They joined us yesterday and they have already started making money because they traded up to 7 signals from last night to today. 7 signals, all in profits, no losses. 7 signals, all in profits, no losses. Isn't that awesome, guys? Isn't that awesome, guys? Like I said we are going to see some kind of retracement during the New York Open, and so be ready for retracement. But right now, I cannot advise anybody to sell this market. If you do, you might not like the outcome. Okay? If you do sell into this market right now, you might not like the outcome. Do not sell into this market. You can only buy and look for retracement, a slight retracement. Do not sell into this market because it is overextended. What they have done is that they have roped a lot of retail traders into this market, and now they are going to destroy their stop loss, because most of these traders are going to be entering very late because they are seeing that the market is moving down. They are going to jump in and the market is going to slice all of them out. Okay, guys. if you join me and trade with me here, one thing I can advise you is that, yeah, if you join me here every day, one thing I can advise you is that it can help you to avoid so many losses, so many disasters that are happening in the market. Exactly, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go and make some money. Go ahead and make some money. Go ahead and make some money, okay? If you join the free Discord, when I get the signal, I get some signals in the middle of the night. When the market is quiet, there's some great moves that begins that time. People don't know. They always come in here in the afternoon during the New York session to look for setups. Setups comes at every single time. There are setups after they sometimes they will just mess your account up in the daytime during the New York session, and then in the middle of the night they are going to start to move this market. That's what they do. Just shouted you out in the. Oh, you're welcome, bro. You will enjoy your stay in the in the Discord. You will enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. I will give you guys. I always update you guys on the Discord. I always post my signals there. If you scroll up, you will see most of the trades we've been taking since yesterday. They are all there on the Discord. I always post the signals there. We always interact. Okay, we always interact on the Discord. It is a family that you're going to enjoy. So that's it, guys. That's it. That's it. If you also want to trade with me, you want to learn how to trade from me one on one, you can join our inner circle. Just DM me in the on the Discord. If you want to learn, there I teach how to trade one on one every single day. I teach for 1 hour every single day. Live session one on one with my students. We learn every 1 hour every single day, where I teach them how to trade one on one with live chat. We analyze the chart together, so for them to be able to build the confidence they need to become successful traders. Because for you to be successful trader, you need to build the confidence. It's in Jenny's trading Discord. Exactly, bro. Okay, okay, bro. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I know. Listen, a lot of people in the Jenny's trading, they always trade with me, guys. A lot of people they trade with me. A lot of people they use my signal. A lot of people trade my signal. A lot of them they trade my signal. They always inbox me. They always DM me and they appreciate me every time. It makes me happy, It makes me want to do more because I really appreciate the good work. It makes me feel great, I feel so good. It makes me feel great. I feel so good. So that's it, guys. Okay, guys. So we show you how to do it, not just hype. Okay, what we do here is the real trading. Exactly. Oh yeah, guy. Oh yeah, right. Of course, that's what they do sometimes. That's what they do sometimes. They frustrate people in the daytime, and at night they start to move the market to their destination with the target when there are less people in the market. These people are so smart, and then they begin to they target when there are less people in the market, and then they begin to move the market. So what I do is that I'm always in the lookout to see what they're planning to get them at the right time, because the best time to buy, you need to know the right price. How will you, if you don't know the right price? You need to know. Oh my lord, you're welcome, Nukshan. All you have to do is Go and watch my videos on YouTube. Watch my previous videos. Take your time and watch it. You're going to learn a lot of things. As a you're going to learn a lot of things as a trader. You're going to have a good start. If you're new, the best thing to do is to start learning first. Can you give it like a month of serious intensive learning? Yeah, give it. Look at look at it like learn like your life depends on it, guys. That's all I can advise you. Learn a lot. In fact, if you can join our inner circle, I'll appreciate it. It will be nice, because that's where you can be able to win as a trader consistently. We have a student that was exactly, yeah, you don't want to throw away the money. Learn first. If you learn, bro, if you learn, you can have a good start. You understand? If you learn, you can have a good start, and then when you go into the market, you just kill it. That's the beauty. It's so. I've been in this game 7 good years. I wish I had a mentor who taught me one on one. There's you guys are so lucky. Right now, there's so many trading mentors out there. You can easily find one. Even I learned trading on my own, and I had to pay a heavy price for it. 7 good years in the game of trading, 7 years of trading, and then there was no one to teach me, and I had to grope in the dark for so long. I was groping in the dark for so long. Okay, I was groping in the dark. So you can actually shorten your learning curve by being a part of our inner circle, and we just take you straight directly to what you need so that you don't have to get messed up. Your head doesn't have to get messed up by all those kind of nonsense, bad information they post on YouTube. There are so many junk information out there that if you begin to consume those things, it will make your trading to be very difficult, because what you are going to be doing is that you're going to be jumping from strategy to strategy, strategy to strategy, and you're going to be thinking that you're doing it right. No, most of those strategies doesn't work. Like I said to people, strategies doesn't work. That's what people don't know. Strategies don't work. It can make you profitable. Pattern works. I am revealing a lot of trading secrets to you guys. Although you're lucky because you're here, you get to enjoy this. Pattern works. In life, for you to win in life, you must learn to identify patterns. Patterns work. Strategies don't work because the market maker, the banks, the hedge funds, they know the strategies too. They will tweak it and use it against you. They will tweak it and use it against you. Pattern works. As a trader, pattern works. In life, whatever you're doing, pattern works. So what we do basically in our inner circle is that we learn the market patterns. What we study is the pattern intensively. We go into details candle by candle to study the market patterns. That is how you can begin to learn to win in this market, not the strategy. Some people say the trading chart pattern. Whenever I see head and shoulder, I buy or sell. You're going to lose your money. You throw your money away. You're going to lose your money because they know that you are actually these banks, these hedge funds, these central banks that are managing this, that are pushing this market. They know those strategies you're using. They know it. So they are waiting for you to, when you bank on it, you lose definitely, and then you are going to be exhausted, and then you are going to be stressed, and then you are going to jump into another one again and think that that one is going to work. They will do the same thing to you again. You will just see yourself at a point you are going to be mentally exhausted. At some point, you're going to be mentally exhausted. So you as a trader that want to win, most one thing that almost all the professional traders that have in common. Okay, if you're going to win. So if you're going to win, you're going to learn to identify patterns in the market, because there are patterns that they always use, and these patterns will always repeat themselves. When you identify these patterns, you have an edge in the market. Once you see it again in the market, you can be able to take advantage of it. Except that every other thing you're doing is you're going to lose. If you're trading a strategy, you're thinking like, when you see a chart pattern, or you see some kind of strategy that you're trading, you need to, apart from your strategy, you need to start learning patterns in the market. The more you learn patterns, everything in life follows a pattern. Everything in life follows a pattern until you understand how to identify patterns. Then you can be able to take advantage of those patterns. When you see it again, then you can call yourself a real trader. And that is the only thing that can guarantee you consistent wins in the market. Okay, you must identify those patterns and take advantage of it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so so it's very important. I always give you guys these secrets, because these are the things that you know that can actually transform your trading, that can take your trading to the next level. Okay, you need all these things to succeed as a trader. You need to learn to identify patterns. You need to learn to follow the process, plan carefully, and execute the trades, not to uh, uh, trade out of your emotion, what you think. Some people say, I think it is going to go down. I think. When you plan, when you execute the trade with your what you think, then you're going to have a problem, because what you think cannot move the market. I just I feel in the spirit to I'm just in the spirit to preach to you about trading today, to talk to you about trading. So that's it. Trading, there is a time when the opportunity comes. If you identify the opportunity, you can make a lot of money. Patterns. The patterns will always repeat itself in different forms. Let me give you an example. If you see a double top, a triple top, and a consolidation, they are the same thing that presents itself in different forms. They just did the same work. What they do is they show sign of reversal. They are just doing the same work. M pattern, double top, triple top, or consolidation, they are all the same. What they signify is there's going to be a reversal, but they present themselves in different form. Imagine that that the banks, every time they want to move the market, they just move it with the M pattern. The next time again they move it an M pattern. The next time, everybody's going to identify it easily, and then everybody's going to take advantage of it whenever they see it. M pattern, oh, everybody's going to jump in. What they do, one time they give you M pattern, the next time they give you consolidation, the next time they give you triple top, the next time they give you triple top, then they give you M pattern again. Let's see. That way they can continue to juggle your memory. All they are doing is the same thing. It's just a reversal process that is setting up. That's all. So you need to know all these things. Whenever a major reversal is going to happen, if you want to learn more, join the inner circle. If you want to join the inner circle, DM me when you join the free Discord channel. Just DM me, and then I will show you how to join the inner circle. There, I'm going to teach you a lot of things that's going to blow your mind. I'm going to give you like an aha moment. You're going to be like, whoa, really? Did that really happen? Hmm? Did that really happen? Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, guys. So you need to know. You need to know. You really need to know, guys. You really need to know. It's very important that you know. If you don't know, what can you do? So you need to learn. Because the moment you learn, you have one one weapon that they cannot take away from you. Your losses will decrease significantly. See, sometimes you stay and you ask yourself, I cannot even remember the last time I lost a trade. You no longer be scared of losing a trade, because by the time you win 5 trades and lose one, you are still in good profit. And each one you lose is maybe less than 1%. And then when you win, each time you win, you're doing 5%, 7%, 10%, 3%. And then maybe you win like 5 times or 4 times before one loss, or 10 times before one loss. Then why are you going to be complaining about losses? Losses is not a problem then. You will not struggle with losses. You just need to focus on the process, planning, executing, and staying away from the market. Your emotions have no business in the market. Your emotion does not move the market. The bank doesn't care about your emotions. Remove your emotions in the market, and then you will see the market clearly. Once your emotions is out of the way, you begin to see the market clearly for what it is. It is a market. You begin to understand the patterns that present themselves over and over and over again in different ways. The market is not just random. People think, oh, it's random market, just everything is chaotic. No, 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 no. In the smallest form, the market is always following a pattern. And if you don't know the pattern, you're going to keep losing and crying, oh, the market is after me, the market is after me. No, the market is not after you. That's what I used to think in the past. I used to think that the market is after me. Really, the truth is that the market is after all the retail traders. They want your money. It is a battle between the banks and the retail traders. That's what the market is. The banks, the hedge funds, the big money, they are on one side, and then the retail traders, they are on one side. A bunch of ignorant retail traders, they are on one side. There's a battle. So these guys have a lot of money, but they are not satisfied. They are still trying to take that your $1, $200, $20, because they know that by the time you put all those $20 they take from maybe 1 million people, it is $20 million. They take $20 from 1 million people. If they take $20 from 1 million people, then it is $20 million. So they have $1 billion, but they are still looking for your $20 for your $20 million. This is how life is. The forex market takes from the weak hands and give it to the strong hands. The strong hands always get paid. That's why I look at people that you don't have an in-depth knowledge of this market and you are jumping into it. I feel pity for you. You're going to lose like crazy. You're going to lose. It's going to be practically impossible for you to survive this market. You are dealing with some of the most advanced computers around the world. You are dealing with some of the most advanced algorithms ever created. However, they cannot be powerful than the human brain. The human brain created all those things, so the human brain is still better. But then that human brain has to be equipped. It has to be trained to beat the computer, else it will not survive. If you are enjoying this stream, please subscribe to this channel. Please, if you want to learn how to trade again, once again, make sure you DM me and I will tell you how to join the inner circle. Join our free Discord. If you join our free Discord, then you just DM me. Tell me you want to join the inner circle. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to walk you through the process. It's very easy to join. Very cheap. That is the most important trading decision you will make in your life, to join the inner circle of Millionaires FX, because the goal is to make you a millionaire trader. And we will not stop until we get there. Every single trader in our platform is going to be a millionaire trader. That's my goal, and I will not stop until we are all millionaires in trade in dollars as traders. It's not easy, but I'll do my best to make sure it happens. So that's why every day I keep getting better, so that I can be able to make you better, because I want to see my team grow. So that's it, guys. Like I said we're going to see some kind of retracement after the New York Open. Can you see the retracement have started? They are the market is pulling back up. I told you it's going to be filled with consolidation. It's going to be filled with it's going to be weak consolidation and everything. It is happening exactly the way I told you, that there's going to be consolidation. There's going to be pullback. Then the market is going to continue to the downside. You're welcome to Millionaires FX. Here is where we do the real trading. Here is where we ask the most critical question of trading. Why did you buy there? If you tell, I sold at 1750. Why did you sell? Show us the reason why. Here we trade with reason, not your emotion. We don't care about your emotions. We only ask one question. Why did you buy? Why did you sell? As simple as that. We're not here to give you some kind of fancy trading, trading or show you big money. No. Give you some kind of euphoria and then have you chasing clouds and thinking that you're trading, while in reality you're just wasting your time. What we do is to equip you the right way to be a real trader. Why didn't we catch that upside? No. You are trading against the trend. That's no good. That is no good. You can't catch enough pips there. You can't catch enough pips. By the time the market is looking like you're going to start making money, the retracement might start again. The bearish momentum can kick in again. You always want to trade in the direction of the trend, guys. That's where you win. That's the secret. That's where you win. The retracement is nothing. It's nothing. It might not give you enough pips that you need to, scale your account. So it is better for you to go with the flow, the big money, the big boys, their money, the banks. If you trade right now, you want to try and catch the retracement, you are trading against the trend. That's sick. That's not trading. Instead, what should you be doing? On gold, what we should be doing is we want to start looking at the level. We just move to the higher time frame. I want to look at the higher time frame, and then I want to start marking up the levels where we can get that retracement from. We can get one here. That's where I'm looking to see that retracement happen from. That's the level I'm going to be looking at to see that retracement begin. Okay? On GU, it is not done. You see, that's why now it is looking like it's going down. It is not going down. It is actually tricking those amateur traders, those retail traders, ignorant retail traders to sell before time. It is not going down. It is not done going back up. It is going to pull back and pull back and pull back before the move continues to the downside. Am I making sense? If you enjoyed this stream, please give me some thumbs up. I deserve it, guys. I've been talking for so long, I've been talking for so long. Yet I try to inspire you guys as much as I can. I'm waiting for that retracement to happen. After the retracement, then we are going to continue to the downside. So the retracement is not done, guys. However, I'm going to share the signal on the Discord when the time is right. Because what happens is that sometimes I might make a projection and be thinking that, okay, when it happens, I'm going to drop it. Some people are already trading it. They don't even want the requirement. They are not looking at the entry price if you are there already. No, they are just going to start jumping into the market, which is very, very bad. But what I do is that I give you the signal and I give you exactly when it is time. So about the overall trend of the market is bearish. We are very bearish right now. I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys, because I'm going to be signing out in the next 5 minutes. At 6, I'm going to be signing out. So the rest is going to continue on the How did you start trading? How I started trading is filling their limits, sell order at the highest price. Yeah, this can take a lot of time because they need the retailers to exactly, bro. You're right. They are filling their yeah, exactly. The sell, yeah, their sell limit order. Exactly, you're right. They are getting their orders filled, and they can do it for a couple of hours because they need you guys to be uh, buying into the market, and then so they can use it to fill their order and continue the move to the downside. You say, how did you start trading, Nukshan? I don't understand. How do you mean? You want to start trading? You just go put your money, register your money with the broker, and then you start. You get an account, and then you open the MT4 and start trading. How did that? That is how I started trading. I don't understand. Can you be more specific with your question? How did you start trading? That's kind of I don't understand. How can I answer that question? Hmm? I don't understand. How do you mean? How did I start trading? Can you be more specific with your question? I started trading because trading is sweet. I didn't actually choose trading as a business. I was introduced to trading by my friend. Yeah, someone taught me. Someone showed me trading 7 years ago, but the guy was not so good at trading. So I was left in the dark. I had to grope like this, like this, like this for so long, trying to find some kind of you know, I was just groping in the dark, trying to find some kind of. It was so hard, guy. It was so hard to find breakthrough. No, 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 no. Someone taught me. Someone introduced me to the business. I liked it, but when I try to trade, I lose my money. I trade again, I lose my money. For so many years, they want to teach me how to trade. So I was just watching all those YouTube channels, all those bullshit on YouTube, and I was losing like crazy. Until one day I said enough is enough for all this losing. But most of my trading secrets I get from from free YouTube videos, and then listening to professional traders. Some I paid classes. I paid a lot of classes, one-on-one classes to learn. But what I know is that most of those classes that I paid for, I did not even learn how to learn anything from there. Most of those I paid for Raphael's course so that I can learn how to trade because I thought he knew it, so I could learn how to trade. But I could not learn anything. I lost like crazy. I could not learn shit. I could not learn shit. I didn't learn nothing, bro. From there, I continued with the things that I've learned before that was actually working before, because I when I saw the big money they post on social on YouTube, I was interested. I said, wow, these guys are making money. Maybe they know it. So guess what? I just go and enroll because I want to make money too. I paid him $500, and not that I didn't know how to trade. I know how to trade, but I thought that there was some kind of magic wand, some kind of magic secret in this game that you need that you can apply and become very successful trader overnight. But the truth is that there's none, bro. There's no magic. There's no secret. There's no magic secret that to winning in trading. It's just by doing the work, by learning and focusing on the process. Just like what I've told you, this is the only process. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. This is the time you want to stay away from this market. It will look like they are going to just continue to the downside. It's not true. It's all a trap. You see this move you're seeing, they will look like they're going to the downside. It's not true. It's all a trap. They are going to what they're going to do is to whip. So anybody that's trading right now is going to cry. The only one I think is good right now to trade is US oil. You can get in on US oil right now. It's still good. It's cool to get in on US oil. Apart from that, the rest you're gonna get you're gonna get whip. So like I said, so I lost a lot of money, but then when I started to trade the right way, I'm gradually recovered the money. I'm recovering everything back slowly. So and then you need to understand that the right mindset. You need to have the right mindset as a trader. You need to see trading as a journey. You need to see trading as a journey. And then I teach my students one thing every day: get 1% better every day. That's all you need to become a successful trader. If you learn every day just 1% to improve, to increase your knowledge 1% every day, within within 6 months, you'll be a great trader. Let me tell you something you don't know about trading. You see, the guy that introduced me to trading, then he used to act like he knew it, and then he used to act like he knew it. So now recently, he now saw my trading results on my page, on my YouTube, and on my Facebook page. He was amazed. He came to my inbox. He said, "Please, I'm going to come and learn trading from you." That's what he told me. He said, "I'm going to make time and I'm going to come and enroll in your class. I want you to teach me how to trade. I can see that you are really crazy. You are really good in this market." He was shocked. He said, "How did you learn how to trade like this? I really cannot wait to learn your tricks." And I said, "No problem. Whenever you're ready, let me know. I will teach you." So that's it. That's the guy who introduced me to trading. He saw my trading, he's shocked. He was shocked when he saw my. He say, "I've been monitoring your trading results for the past 1 week. Guy, I'm amazed. How did you learn to trade like this?" I started to laugh. He said, "It's not me, it's God. I just do the work." And I just did the work. I just decided I was done losing, and it is time for me to start winning. And then I had to do the work because it's not just to say it. I had to back it with action. And then that is how I got here. You too can get here too, can get there too. You too can be a successful trader too. You too can win trades too. Yeah, you too can win. You can leave the 95% and join the 5%. It's possible. If you have a if you are struggling with a prop firm challenge, if you're struggling with a prop firm challenge, all you have to do is oh my. If you're struggling with a prop firm challenge, join us on Discord. DM me, will help you to pass the challenge. Okay? Or you want to become a pro firm trader, join our inner circle, will help you to become a funded trader, and you can make a lot of money from the market. While you are learning, you can still you can still while you're learning, you can still be trading and be making money. Okay? While you're learning, you can still be trading and be making money. That's the beauty of it. You're learning and we will still be trading because I'm going to be dropping the signals and you're going to be executing the signals. And because you are in our inner circle, you're going to be learning the things that you need to do in order to manage your trade. Guys, will teach you our trade management technique, how we manage the trade, how we spread the orders, and how we manage the trade while it runs. So you don't have to stress yourself. You just have to take the trades, and you know the levels that are marked up. You know the level. When you get to each of the level, you take partial profits until you take all the profits out of the market. Okay? So you're welcome to Millionaires FX once again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. Make the house bigger. Let's make it interactive so that I can always find the reason to want to come and be with you guys every day, even when I'm tired or I don't feel like I want to come to this place and trade. Okay, guys. So I really love you guys. I want you guys to succeed. I do my best to point you in the right direction. Even if you're a struggling trader, I was once a struggling trader, but I'm getting better 1% every day. You too can actually leave the 95% and join the 5% by adding 1%, learning 1% every day, and then before you know what is happening, you become good. And the most important thing is forget about your emotion, forget about your feelings, and focus on the process. If that's the only thing you learn from me today, take it home. It's enough for you to become a. It's enough for you set you up in the right path as a to become a professional trader that you want to become. Just focus on the process and forget about your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts. Yeah, you too, bro. Take care of yourself, and may the market be with you guys. I'll see you guys next time.